Hey YouTube, I want to show you how you can make your boost auto tow mirror reverse light work with the cargo light switch. And a big thank you to RainMan from Tundra.com. He showed me how to do this. Pretty much, you gotta take this piece off. You gotta take off 2 screws, one down there, another one right there, right under that tire pressure sense monitor. Then you just pop all this off. Take the side piece off too. Then you pop it off. Just two pins, tabs after the screws. Then you get your wire from the mirrors. And you tie into this top connector. There's like this little block, and you have to tie into the second from the left. It's a brown wire on a 2016 Tundra. I'm not sure about the other years, but on mine is brown. I do use some of these. You tap into it, and then that's pretty much it.